Hello again from Cabusao Wetlands, here with Mr. Agner Abisola of the Cabusao LGU. We're here in the middle of Cabusao Wetlands with a lot of mangroves, hectares and hectares of mangroves. And this is a success story. You know, one of the reasons why mangroves in the Philippines have been reduced is because of constant use of mangroves for uling, firewood. So here in Cabusao, it's not happening. Mr. Abner, bakit po kaya? Why?
Kasi po, nung i-develop po ito under the management ng LGU and then the DNR, nag-deputize po ng mga wildlife enforcement officer. Isa na po ako doon sa na-deputize as team leader of the wildlife enforcement officer.
Great. Ano pong ginagawa ng mga enforcement officers?
Ang ginagawa po namin, yung pinagbabawal namin yung mga paghuli ng ibon. Isa pa, yung pinagbabawalan namin yung kumuha dito ng mga panggatong.
Okay.
Kasi nagiging source ng firewood. Yung pag-uuling, wala naman po dito nangyayari.
Very good. Okay. So good. So it can happen na talagang mapoprotektahan natin ang mangroves. Good job, Cabusao LGU.